Taylor here. I'm super excited. I've been trying all these perfumes for y'all, and at the end of every video, I ask all my followers which one you guys want me to try next, and I got so many requests for this next edition, and I'm super excited to share with y'all what I think. This is the Alien by Thierry Mugler. It's really hard to pronounce, and it's a purple bottle. You can't miss it. People were like, you have to try this. It's amazing. It's great. Blah, blah, blah. I tried it. My final review is I freaking love it, guys. So I have kind of a go-to perfume that I use every single day. And guys, I actually like this one better for everyday wear. It's not super sweet. It kind of has like a warm, kind of like a little bit of a musky undertone. It is a super unique scent. I've never smelled anything closer to my everyday than this, but it's still a little bit different. My daughter actually put some on because she likes to try all my perfumes. She came to cuddle with me and I was like smelling her and I'm like, you smell so good. I will never be without this now. It's amazing. You guys gotta go grab it and try it and let me know what you think. 10 out of 10 for this one. Probably my favorite that I've tried so far. As always, you can pick it up at a discount with like a million other things at eCosmetics. Bye guys.